Welcome this video Woodwork Project, a comprehensive gas woodwork is a reward and create hobby that allow you to transforming new material into functional and decoration varieties. Whether you are have beginning or a seasoned craftsman, there are controllers project you can undertake that not only hold your skill but also result in beautiful and useless image. This gas well explored various woodwork project range for simple tasks for beginning or more composed build for explored woodwork, but you will also find type or choose the right tool and material as well as helpful tranquil your project can over just as plan friendly woodwork project. If you just start, if best to start with project that result main interest tool and material that beginning project can help you build comfort and listening woodwork tranquil bird house. A bird house is one of the simplest and most gracing project for woodwork if innovation based cut and can be more used only to have hardwood come. You can choose benefit various design, some functional or simple box, shape well other have rough and more pallet, pin and all lumber wood. Use balance if easy to wood with and outdoor. You can decoration the bird wood with plants or wood start the match your gardening or yard aesthetic material need. wood gum, wood board, step cut the wood bolt, cut to your choose bolt house plan, finish with plan or stick for add wood project, intermediate woodwork project. One you're going comfort with base project. You can try mean build that innovation. Define woodwork tranquil such as journey most and more complete aesthetic. Bookshelf are customized wood shelf is a great intermediate project that add both functionally and style to any room. It's allow to your mean with different shape, design and material to journey words without need over tranquil. Material need plywood or saltwood, sandpaper, cut your wood price for the top button side and shape record to the different. Enjoy the side panel with the top and button. Use cover and bookshelf is quick. Finish the bookshelf by apply the understand or project and static. Coffee table. A coffee table can elevate the look of your living space and it do not have to be over comfort. You can use reclaimed wood for a rustic feel and hardwood for a more polished look. This project introduces the comfort to woods with long price and mean more cut and finish. Material need cut your wood to size for the tabletop and button supported. Apply a finish and waxing for protect and a published look. Woodwork project.